Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole Losinga and I'm a registered dietitian that focuses a lot on plant-based eating and meal prepping. So today I'm going to be making soups, which have been some of my favorite food during this cold winter season. But today I'm going to show you how to make soup 3 different ways. The first way is in the microwave to make this microwave minestrone soup. The second way is on a sheet pan to make the roasted cauliflower and sweet potato soup. And then the third way is in the Instant Pot to make this 3-bean chili. So let's start with the first soup, which is the microwave minestrone. So you're just combining your veggies, which are the carrot, zucchini, celery, onion, and pepper in a microwave safe bowl, adding a bit of oil and covering it up and placing it in the microwave on high for 3 minutes. I'm just taking a few veggies out because my bowl is not that big. And then you're adding the rest of the ingredients into the bowl. So that includes your diced tomatoes along with your veggie broth. And you can grab this recipe on my website, nicolelosinga.com, or check it out on my Instagram as well. And you're adding your white beans for protein along with some pasta that I've already had cooked, basil as well. And that's basically it. Then you're going to throw it into the microwave for another 9 to 11 minutes or so. And that's simply it. It's so delicious. I can't believe how easy it is. Enjoy! The next soup we're going to make is the roasted sweet potato and cauliflower soup. So you're starting with dicing up 1 white onion, and you're going to be slicing up 2 sweet potatoes after that. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be putting those items on a parchment lined baking sheet. You're also going to be preheating the oven at 375. You're just spreading it out into a nice and thin layer, adding 1 head of cauliflower florets and 1 or 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I like avocado oil because the high smoke point. So we're going to be roasting that for about ½ an hour and just tossing everything halfway. Once that's done, we're going to be combining the roasted veggie mixture into the food processor, and then you're also adding about 2 cups of white beans along with 4 cups of veggie broth or veggie stock. So you're just going to puree that up, and then that's simply all you're doing. I like to save a little bit of the cauliflower and sweet potato to garnish the bowl, and that's it. Enjoy! The next recipe we're going to make is the Instant Pot 3-bean chili. So basically what you're doing is you're dumping in all the ingredients into the Instant Pot. So that's the 1 medium onion, the green pepper that's chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 cups of veggie broth, 2 cups of tomato sauce, 2 cups of diced tomatoes, and then your beans. So 2 cups of each red kidney beans, white kidney beans, and black navy beans. Then some oregano, chili powder, and paprika. So basically you're just securing the lid on and making sure that steam release valve is moved to sealing. And then we're pressure cooking it for 10 minutes and that's simply it. Enjoy! All right, thanks so much for tuning in and watching this video. So again, head on over to my website, nicolelosinga.com, to grab the full recipes, and definitely like and subscribe if you like this content. Thank you very much and have a great day.